Eastern Tabletop's been around since the 1950s. They've proven that they're a partner in the industry. Whether you're an end user or dealer, they're really customer focused and understanding what the needs of the customer are and developing product around that. Eastern Tabletop is known for their buffet products. They've really expanded that into mobile buffet. The Hub, the Zaws, and the Cubic. But what they've also done is brought a sustainable effort in with their EcoBurner product. They're really focused on being an industry leader in innovation and durability. Eastern Tabletop is a great fit in every aspect of our industry. If you're doing buffet products, think of Eastern Tabletop.